Suware. I am from NetTech India. I'm currently studying Diploma in Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking, and I am from morning batch 9 to 11.
So tell me, Vrajai, about XSS vulnerability.
So XSS stands for cross-site scripting, wherein an attacker inputs malicious scripts, mostly JavaScript codes, into a trusted website and gains cookies, session tokens, and as well any other sensitive information.
Why we use Hydra for password tracking?
It is basically used for brute force attacks, and it is a most powerful tool, and the response time is very less.
Okay. Tell me about brute force attack.
Brute force attack is wherein a user can crack passwords, username, and other search data.
And how?
By using tools like Hydra, or even a user can use Burpsuit for that purpose.
Okay.
Hello, I am Parth Palande. Currently I am studying cybersecurity in 9 to 11 batch from Andheri, NetTech India.
What is SQL injection?
SQL injection is a web application vulnerability in which attackers use SQL codes in the input fields to fetch some information from the database. SQL stands for structured query language, in which attackers try to get the data from the database using some SQL code. SQL injection is of three types: inbound SQL injection, outbound SQL injection, and inbound SQL injection is a type wherein we get error messages and we get data from the error messages.
Good morning, Abdul. I have your application here for a network engineer job. So first of all, can you tell me about yourself?
First of all, good morning, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sheikh Abdul Samad. Currently, I live in Brentwood. I completed my HSC from Atal College, and I pursuing BCA from KPP India College, ICMO University. And my hobby is playing football and learn something new.
So Abdul, can you tell me what is computer network and how it works?
Okay. A computer network is connecting one device to the other device, one device to the other device, and sending data from the one device to the other device. Receiver to the sender to the receiver. Protocols is a rules and regulation of the for sending the data from the one device to another device. So there are having some protocols, for example, HTTPS, SMTP, and FTP.
My name is Ankush and I'm 20 years old. I am for computer, and my hobbies are like listening to music.
Tell me about Excel.
Excel is a pronounce here Excel. It is a spreadsheet program I was Microsoft. Excel is organize data, column, info, allow the mathematical concept use and run on Mac OS, iOS, Windows, Microsoft. It is their first version launched 1985 and gone through several changes, and however their main function remain the same.
Good morning, Azra. Here I have your resume for a network engineer job. So first of all, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Azra Fatima. I graduated from Bhavan's College from the SCIT. I have done my...
Okay, let it be. Tell me, what do you mean by computer networks?
Computer network is a connection between two or more devices that helps us share data between them. The data can be in any format.
Okay, and how do we define that communication is happening between two devices?
If the devices are connected to each other and they share the data to each other, in that process, if we receive the acknowledgement, that is how we can define that communication is happening between them.